This is Chuck bringing you another truck. Here we've got a 2023 Volvo VNL64T860 with 88,000 miles on it. This truck's powered by a turbo compound D13 engine with 455 horsepower, mated to an I-Shift 12-speed automated transmission with a premium shift package. It's got a cab rack on the back, as you can see. All 10 aluminum wheels. This truck's barely broke in. Tons of factory warranty remaining on it. If interested, call Chuck at 920-539-8134. We've got financing options available to help get you into this truck. Let's take a look at the inside and see what we're working with. $88,000 miles, like I said earlier. Premium shift package. And there's that workstation. For more listings, check out our website at kreetetrucks.com. That's KRIETETRUCKS.com. Or stop in today and take a look for yourself. Thanks for watching.